Good morning, students. In previous lecture, we have studied the four parameters. First one is boundary layer thickness, second one is displacement thickness, third one is momentum thickness, and fourth one is energy thickness. Okay, displacement thickness is given by this formula, integration 0 to delta 1 minus u by u. Momentum thickness is given by the formula u by u in bracket 1 minus u by u, and energy thickness is u by u in bracket 1 minus u square by u square into dy. So based on this formulas, now we will solve some examples. So now we will see first example as here. Let us see the first example. Find the displacement thickness, energy thickness, and momentum thickness for the velocity distribution in the boundary layer given by u by capital U minus is equal to y by delta. Here where u is nothing but the velocity at distance y and u is equal to capital U at y is equal to delta. Okay, so first and find out what we have to find out the displacement thickness and energy thickness. So first, displacement thickness, which is denoted by letter delta star, and which is given by the formula integration 0 to delta 1 minus small u by capital U into dy. Okay, now let us put the value of u by capital U. Actually it is given in the numerical, so u by capital U is nothing but y by delta. So by putting u by u, you will get 1 minus y by delta into dy. Now separating this bracket means integration 0 to delta for 1 into dy minus integration y by delta over limits 0 to delta. Now integration of 1 dy is equal to y, integration of constant with respect to dy is y, integration of y by delta is y square by 2 times delta over limits 0 to delta. Now put the limits 0 to delta into this for this bracket. So what will happen here, to solve this for putting y minus y square divided by 2 times delta over limits 0 to delta, by putting these limits delta minus delta square divided by 2 times delta. So this will become delta minus delta by 2. So finally it will become delta by 2. So your displacement thickness delta star will become finally delta by 2. Now next term is momentum thickness, theta. Next term is theta. So to find out theta, we have the formula integration 0 to delta u divided by capital U in bracket 1 minus u divided by capital U into dy. But here u divided by capital U is given by, actually its value is given and its value is equal to y by delta. So this is nothing but y by delta. So put the value of u by u into this equation, we will get theta is equal to integration 0 to delta, instead of u by capital U put y by delta in bracket 1 minus, instead of u by u put y by delta into dy. Okay, so multiplying by this term to this whole bracket, you will get theta is equal to integration 0 to delta y by delta into 1 y by delta minus y by delta into y by delta y square by delta square into dy. So by taking integration, we will get y by delta y square by 2 times delta minus y square by delta square, y square का इंटीग्रेशन क्या होगा, y क्यूब डिवाइडेड बाय 3 इंटू डेल्टा स्क्वायर ओवर लिमिट्स 0 to delta. So by putting these limits, we will get, put the value of delta to this bracket, we will get delta square divided by 2 times delta minus delta cube divided by 3 times delta square. So this will become delta square by 2 times delta will become delta by 2 minus, this will get cancelled to this, it will become delta by 3. Now delta by 2 minus delta by 3, it will be equal to delta by 6. So finally your momentum thickness will become delta by 6. Now next one is find out the energy thickness delta star. Okay, so delta star is given by formula integration 0 to delta u divided by capital U in bracket 1 minus u square by capital U square into dy. But small u by capital U is given equal to y by delta. So put the value of this into this equation. You will get delta star as integration 0 to delta, instead of u by u put y by delta in bracket 1 minus y square by delta square into dy. So multiplying y by delta to this bracket, you will get delta star is equal to integration 0 to delta. So y by delta into 1, y by delta minus y by delta into y square by delta square, y cube by delta cube into dy. So by taking integration, you will get delta star as, this is y by delta means y square by 2 times delta minus y cube by delta cube means y raised to power 4 by 4 into delta cube over limits 0 to delta. So delta star will be equal to, by putting these limits, so delta square divided by 2 times delta minus delta raised to power 4 divided by 4 times delta cube. So delta star will become, finally this will become, square will get cancelled to this delta, so delta divided by 2 minus this 4 will get cancelled to delta cube, it delta by 4. So delta by 2 minus delta by 4, it is nothing but delta by 4, delta by 4. Now next one is ratio delta star to theta. So delta star is delta by 4 and theta is nothing but delta by 6. So put delta by 6, delta by 6. So finally you will get this ratio equal to 6, this delta into this 6 divided by 4 into delta. So finally you will get 2, 3 delta divided by 2 delta, which is equal to 3 by 2. So this is about your first exam, and in next lecture we will see some tough examples or difficult examples, or we will see the difficult table of the examples. Okay, thank you.